What's good, YouTube? Back at the cemetery, waking the dead, and I wanted to give a little test on them PRVs. But yeah, so I got some music queued up. Let me unplug my new fan. Man, this thing works good. I don't like the way I had to mount it, but shit, man, it's perfect. That thing keeps the amp nice and cold, man. But anyway, it is what it is. But I'm gonna turn this off anyway. I want to turn this subwoofer off so you guys can hear the PRVs, man. Let me crank these bad boys up. I got them on the Rockford 504, and you know, it's set at 0 dB, so it's not clipping at all. So let me play some of this copyright free crap. But this song doesn't. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering the spirit, I'm busting through the ceiling. 250 I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering the spirit. Busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering the spirit, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. Conquering the spirit, I'm busting through the ceiling.
The new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Give it a flip.
Well, commercials killed it, so whatever. You get the point. They're killer. Yeah, so that's the PRV NDY 500 6.5 4 ohms. Anyway, it says they can handle 1,000 watts peak. That ain't happening. But 250, yeah. You got to turn the high pass filter at like maybe 200 hertz to get the, like, you know, if you want to get close to clipping. I got mine at like I don't know. I forgot. I think it was like 100. What do we got? Let me see here. We got, I don't know, somewhere between 80 and 120. I think it's 100. I said it with the multimeter and I can't damn remember. I basically did it until they stopped bottoming out, and I got a little bit of mid bass because man, I ain't trying to put no damn 10-inch you know, the pro speakers in here. I mean, who knows, I might, you know, it's an addiction. So but anyway, yeah, the PRVs are badass, man, and they cover you know, like I said, if you're giving 150, 250 watts to them, you can set your crossovers at about 100 hertz, and they got some nice kick, and they get high, so you could like totally replace your doors with them. You know, you don't gotta have tweets, even though you know, I got my tweeters barely cracked because the amp sucks, and they get loud. But I got a new amp. I'm gonna try an SFB 200.4 for my back doors and my tweeters, and see if I like it. I've heard bad things about them, but I got the 2000D in my Subaru and I haven't had a problem with it. So, you know, we'll see what happens. But anyway, PRV NDY 500s, man, it's worth the money. They got Neos, they get loud, they got some kick to them. If you're not putting, you know, 10 mids in your car with 10-inch pro speakers and all that, man, those are the pro speakers to get, for sure. They sound good, man. So, alright, I just wanted to show y'all what they're like with some juice. See you later.